Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello I2 World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set or insert medical icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case I will open a Microsoft Word file. So here already I have read it before. So insert options we will get the icons. So in icons in below sections we will get the medical icons. So here click lots of things and inserted it. See, the icons has been appeared. So we will work one, that's why we work this. These things has been, see, the thing has been appeared in this way. So now we can with text wrapping, so click here. So see, we can move it easily without hesitation in this system. So here now we will do the graphics format. So how the graphics field, see, the graphics field is presenting here. Now we can do also the customs way and the standard way. We can use this. Now we will do the outline. So outline, how it will work. So click, first of all we will mark this, then we will go to the graphics outline. So click this, the outline, the icon's outline is appear in this icon. Now we can do the dasher sign, see, dasher sign, whatever we want, then we can select and click this. Now widget sign, so this is the decreasing size and the thing has been increasing. See, in this way the outline has been increased. Now we will do the graphics effect. So how this way the graphic effect is working. See, if you want a shadow size, see, shadow options, lots of way to do. So here the 3D option, see, the 3D is presenting here. Actually we will do lots of things according to our project. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.